Now moving on, thus the seed in the form of sociology sown by Auguste Comte in France gradually began to take a form of banyan tree. So the fact that Auguste Comte started the subject of sociology, it started soon growing up and it started widening, it started growing, okay. Besides Europe, sociology also developed in America. So not only in Europe but also in America, sociology as a subject developed. In 1876, firstly, study and teaching of sociology was started in Yale University of America through the efforts of William Graham Sumner. So in 1876, for the first time, study of sociology was introduced in Yale University by whom? By William Graham Sumner. Because of his efforts, because of his mehnat, sociology as a subject was introduced in Yale University in America. The course of sociology was introduced in the University of Kansas in 1890 with the title of Elements of Sociology. So Elements of Sociology as a subject was introduced in Kansas University in the year 1890. Okay. In Europe, through the efforts of Emil Durkheim, study and teaching of sociology began in University of Bordeaux in 1895. So in Europe, this was all America, but now in Europe also, because of the efforts and the work of Emil Durkheim, the teaching of sociology was introduced in the University of Bordeaux in 1895. Now the next topic is development of sociology in India. How did the subject of sociology developed in India? In India, teaching of sociology first began in Mumbai University at a postgraduate level in 1914. So subject of sociology was introduced in Mumbai University in the year 1914, but at a postgraduate level. What is postgraduate level? After you complete your first year, second year, third year of college, when you go for masters, that is called post graduation. Okay, so it was introduced as a post graduation subject in 1914. The postgraduate section was chaired by the known British sociologist and the town planner Patrick Geddes. So so obviously when you are forming a course, right, what subjects to include, what things to include, what parts to include. So there is a head of the department who is there, who sits and says, okay, we'll take this topic, this topic, this topic, this topic to be taught in college, to be taught at the postgraduate level. So the fact that the whole program was designed, the whole program was managed by the chairman of the British and a British sociologist. Okay, so there was a British sociologist in India at that time. Obviously it was the year 1914. Okay, India was not free at that time. So British sociologist who looked towards the development of sociology at a postgraduate level, and the town planner Patrick Geddes. Okay, he also planned the town of Mumbai at that time. He was a very well-known sociologist. He was the person who, let's say, designed the course of sociology at a postgraduate level, and his name was Patrick Geddes. In 1924, the known sociologist Dr. Govind Sadashiv Gure became the head of the Department of Sociology. So who did all the planning and who did all the work to form the course was Patrick Geddes, and the head of the department was Dr. Govind Sadashiv Gure. Okay. He designed the new pathway for development of sociology in India. The reason how sociology developed in India, the credit goes to Gure. Okay, Dr. Govind Sadashiv Gure, the development of sociology in India, the credit goes to him. He was also the source of inspiration for Indian Sociological Society. So there was a group made, there was an organization made which was called as Indian Sociological Society. Okay, and it was started by Gure, and it was because of him that the whole organization came into being in the year 1952, and was also the chief editor of the journal, the Sociological Bullet. So he was also the main editor. Editor એટલે કે કોઈ બી વસ્તુ તમે લખો, મેગેઝીન બનાવો કે જર્નલ બનાવો. જર્નલ એટલે ઇઝ અ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ મેગેઝીન ઓનલી. ઓકે, તો જ્યારે તમે મેગેઝીન બનાવો એમાં તમે લખો ત્યારે એમાં વસ્તુ એડિટ કરવી પડે. ઓકે, આ વસ્તુ ઇન્ક્લુડ કરીએ, આ વસ્તુ નો ઇન્ક્લુડ કરીએ, લેટ્સ ટોક અબાઉટ ધીસ, વીલ ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ધીસ ઇન આર મેગેઝીન. તો એ બધી વસ્તુ જે કરવાની હતી એ ગુર્રે કરતા. in a journal which was started called as Sociological Bullet. So all the editing work in the magazine, in the journal Sociological Bullet was done by Gure. Okay. His studies and generation of students of sociology trained by him made Mumbai University as the center of sociology. The fact that he did such good training with the students, that he taught the students so well, that Mumbai University became the main place where sociology was taught in a very good way. Okay. In the year 1970, study and teaching of sociology along with economics was started in Kolkata University with the efforts of Bajendra Nath Seal. So, sociology with economics was taught in Kolkata University in the year 1917 with the efforts and with the mehnat of Bajendra Nath Seal. Radha Kamal Mukherjee and D.P. Mukherjee in Lucknow University and Iravati Karve in Pune University played a major role in development of sociology. So in Lucknow University, who developed the subject of sociology? Radha Kamal Mukherjee and D.P. Mukherjee. And in Pune, who was the one who played a major role in development of sociology? Iravati Karve. Okay. There are many sociologists who have contributed towards the development of sociology in India. So there are many sociologists who have played a very major role in the development of sociology as the subject, as a particular research topic in India, and those are M.N. Srinivas, you have to remember M.N. Srinivas, A.R. Desai, remember A.R. Desai, S.C. Dubey and Yogendra Singh. Okay, remember these four names. Which four names? M.N. Srinivas, S.C. Dubey, Yogendra Singh and A.R. Desai. Okay, remember these names. Other names if you don't remember in this paragraph, it's okay. Okay, others પહેલા જે હતા એ બધા કરવાના છે. Okay. Social reformers and social thinkers such as Gandhiji and Babasaheb Ambedkar have also tried to understand Indian society from a scientific perspective. So we had lot of social reformers. Reformers એટલે people who bring about change in the society, and social thinkers, people who think about the society, like Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar have played a very major role in understanding the Indian society from a scientific view. Scientific view એટલે step by step view thi. Okay. Sociological research got momentum with the access of financial assistance from the Indian Council of Social Research and the University Grant Commission. Now, lot of sociological research started happening. Okay. Now, whenever you do research, you need money, you need support from the people. So, the support for doing more and more research in Indian society was given by Indian Council of Sociological Research and University Grant Commission. Like other universities in India, in Gujarat also sociology was studied and taught at graduate and postgraduate level. Like there were other universities similarly in India, in Gujarat also at graduation level and at postgraduation level, sociology as a subject was taught. Okay, in various universities like Gujarat Vidyapeeth, many universities were there in Gujarat, but in Gujarat Vidyapeeth also sociology was taught. In addition to medical and nursing courses, have sociology as one of the subjects. Okay, so there were also new courses like medical course, nursing course. Sociology as a course was also started and developed. Further, the Institute for Center for Social Studies was established by I.P. Desai in Surat. So there was a whole group that was set, that was called as Center for Social Studies. Okay, to do more and more research in social science, in sociology was established by I.P. Desai in Surat, and promoting a social research in Gujarat. So why did he start this center? Why did he start this group? I.P. Desai started this group so that more and more people do research in Gujarat, and more research is done in the subject of society. The periodical Arthat, published by the same institute, has motivated researchers of Gujarat by publishing their research articles. So obviously whatever research you do, you go ahead, whatever findings you get, you go ahead and you published it. So Arthat was something that was published by the Center for Social Science, and many other articles and social research was published by Center for Social Science. In Gujarat, N.P. Totri, I.P. Desai, Akshar Akshay Kumar Desai, Meera Desai, Tarabai Patel, A.M. Shah and several others have worked towards the development of sociology as a subject.